In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to make money online. And if you can't make money using this method, then give up, guys. Stay tuned. Hi guys, I'm Jay Roberts, Geeky Dad, and welcome to Building My Empire. Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you a site where you can make little bits of money or lots of money. It all depends how much you put in, yeah? And if you can't make any money on this site, then you shouldn't be allowed to try and make money online, guys, because this is the easiest way you can make money, yeah? I'm just going to show you guys how easy it is, right? So it's called Pico Workers, yeah? Pico Workers. And so you come on, and it's a place where people can post things, and they can get other people to do the jobs for them, sort of thing. So you can if you're an employee, you can ask people to sign up to a website, like a Facebook page, review a website or a product, watch your videos, follow you on Instagram, yeah, and lots of other stuff, yeah, guys. So you're paying people. People can pay you to do, like, follow their Instagram, follow their YouTube, like the page, comment on the page, review something, yeah. Pretty simple stuff, guys. And if you're a worker, yeah, you can browse small jobs and ongoing jobs, which I'll get into in a minute, guys. You only have to select the jobs you want. You finish tasks by the employer, you submit the proof, and then you earn the money. Simple, yeah. So when you sign up, you get 75 cents. So happy days. You're not going to get rich off doing this, guys, but you can earn money, guys, yeah. It's simple. So there's two types of jobs to select from, yeah. You got your small jobs, yeah, simple, easy to do, many people are doing it, yeah. This is where small jobs come in handy, yeah. Come in handy. They are easy to do and require little time to finish. You can ask 1,000 workers to like your Facebook page or follow you on Twitter, for example, yeah. So you got, like, Facebook likes, share on the wall, subscribe, like my video, go on Reddit and upvote, post a comment, yeah. Go on Instagram, follow, write a comment, Twitter, retweet, comment in forums and blogs, reviews and votes, yeah. They're just a few. And your ongoing jobs, guys, it's where it can be a bit more complex. They're ongoing, and they probably pay a bit more as well. It's like hiring an assistant kind of thing. So start an online job, renew applications, hire workers you like most. Ideally, you would hire 1 to 5 people you only pay when you are satisfied, yeah. That's like, this is for the employee kind of thing. What you do as a worker, make your library of 2,000 photos look better, search for photos online and categorise, yeah. Collect information, retype, scan documents kind of thing, update products on your website. Well, this is what they're doing, yeah. So we'll go have a look. As you can see down here, guys, there's lots of different jobs, and it tells you how much you're going to get paid. So before you click on it, you might think, well, I'm not doing it for 3 cents. But if you did loads of them, guys, they're only got all these small jobs. Going to take a couple of seconds the most, 30 seconds the most, if that, yeah. So if you do lots of these different jobs, it's going to start stacking up, in it, guys. And then if you do a couple of ongoing jobs, which are like monthly, like it says here, like you get, for this one here, you get $1 per task, yeah. You can get a maximum of 12 for the month for this job, yeah. Then this one's 20 cents, yeah. You can earn up to $6. So if you start doing these like once every month, yeah, you're doing it all a month, so you're getting like your $12, your $6, $30, yeah, $120, $18, yeah. So you can see there's lots of different jobs, yeah. You just need to look at them, read them, see if it's for you, go out and do it. And then you've got your small jobs, you've got like your small tasks, 3 cents, 17 cents, 5 cents, 22 cents. These are all, I think, all less than $1, yeah, so 40 cents. But if you do quite a few of them, guys, like I said, up to like 30 seconds, all you're doing is liking a Facebook page, subscribing to someone on YouTube, retweeting. This doesn't take long at all for doing any of that, does it, guys? And you're getting cents, but the more you do, the more you're going to get paid. Yeah, it's still going to stack up. Then add it towards your ongoing jobs as well, and jobs are good, guys. You're getting paid. And various payment options, guys. Yeah, not just PayPal. You've got your Bitcoin, you've got your bank transfer, you've got your Amazon gift cards, PaySafe, Skrill. Yeah, so more options there, guys. So when you sign up, like I said, you get 75 cents, and you click here, and then it brings up like your small jobs. Yeah. Now, sorry guys, it's running slow. Now it doesn't, like on the last page, it showed you here. It showed you like if it was a Facebook or Instagram, Twitter, etc. Here, it's not really, doesn't really say much. So you just got to look, or you've got to click on it and maybe read it there, guys. But down the side here, it's got different prices. At the end here, where it says done, it's showing you that it wants like 30 people, 200 people, 25 people. Yeah, that's how much they want. But then it's showing you how many people have done it. So this one, like 4 people have done it. Yeah, so we've still got like 26 more for do. So you can sign up for this, guys. Yeah, get 8 cents. And all it is a cash travel sign up. Yeah. Paid viewpoint sign up, search, visit website, click, yeah, and comment, yeah. So like this one, Facebook Live, like and visit, yeah, you get 24 cents for that one. They've had 15 people do it, so they need another 10, yeah, guys. So I've clicked on that one, guys, yeah, and this is what it brings up basically, yeah. Tells you about it, yeah. So targeted countries: USA, UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand. Yeah, it's to be rated within 7 days. So it tells you here then what is expected from the workers, guys. So on this one, it's asking you to go to the Facebook group, yeah, like the page, yeah. Then it's saying visit the website and open any link on the website, yeah. And then for proof, it's asking you when you need to obviously post proof. Name of the Facebook page. I don't know what that means by name of Facebook. Maybe it means your page if you're going viewing it on your page and liking it from your page. But your name in Facebook, you just obviously tell them your name in Facebook, copy the link, step 4, so step 4 was the website. So when you open the website, guys, this is the website, yeah? So basically, you just open up whatever you're interested in reading, guys. It's got sports, and it's using, guys, the same website, the same like theme I use for Movies, Games, Beyond, guys. This is the one, exact one I used. Thought it looked familiar then. Yeah, so you open up any post, so say for instance, Discover Family Fun, yeah? Yeah, so you click on it. Let it load, guys, sorry about this. And then all you do then is you come to the top here, and you would copy that, yeah? Yeah, so copy the link. Yeah, so that's, yeah, copy that and then paste, send it to them. So I'll click here now, guys. Yeah, we'll do it together, guys. Yeah, let's do it together. I accept this job. Yeah. Submitting a spam proof will result in termination of your account. There will be no exceptions, yeah, to this rule. One spam proof and your account will not work anymore, right? So just telling you a few rules, guys. Just asking for your proof there. Right, okay, so let's just go on here, like the damn thing. Yeah, liked it. We've come on there, we've copied it, yeah. So we'll just go back here. What do we have to do now? We have to name of the Facebook page. World News Live. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to copy that, paste it in there, yeah, because that's the name of the Facebook page. Your name in Facebook, so I'll just put my name. It's not a secret, guys, I say it every time I make a video, so yeah. And then copy this one. Yeah, name of the Facebook page. That is the name of the Facebook page, isn't it, guys? That's what opened when I clicked on it. So yeah, so that's it, guys. I'm going to confirm and complete the task. Yeah, well done. Well done, guys. So it's going to review our work, and so yeah, that's it, guys. Then we can go back to back on here, and this you can do more paid jobs. Yeah, these are just small jobs though, guys. Then across the top here is where you find your ongoing jobs. So you click on this when if you want to do the ones what pay a bit more, and then down the side it tells you how much per task. So if you click on it, so now this one, it gives you the description of that, but then it also says here not accepting workers. Well, I'm assuming that they're not taking on at the moment, so we'll come back off that. Oh, this here says accepting workers, guys. So this is flashing now, yeah, so I'm assuming they're taking on, yeah. So you'd click on it, well, any you want, guys. You can get up to £6 per month, and you get 20 cents per job. Apply at the top here. Gives you a description. Now this one's not telling you what you need to do basically. It's just saying you can, oh right, sorry, yeah it is. You can earn money by performing simple tasks and inviting friends, yeah. We need dedicated workers who do simple jobs like signing up, downloading apps, taking surveys, yeah, it's a great opportunity to learn only for serious workers. Deliveries once per day. Its duration is short, it's up to 1 month. So yeah, guys, if you want to do this kind of job, you apply for it, and I'm assuming it's pretty much the same as the last task we did, yeah. Just have a look, guys. There seems, I mean, there's two there, there's one here. There's not many what's available at the moment, one there. Typing on a mobile app, yeah. As part of research on typing behaviour, we are hiring workers to use our app, yeah? Only on Android though, guys, yeah? To type different emails and short phrases at different moments in time, yeah? So each task will consist of a typing session, usually not longer than 1-2 minutes. So 1-2 minutes, guys, yeah? Do that a couple of times a day or a couple of times a week in the month and that, yeah? You're going to earn, well, on this one, £2.40, so you're not going to retire off that, guys, are you? But what I'm trying to get at, guys, is all these little tasks and jobs, they don't take long, yeah? So if you've got like a spare hour, batter this, come and hammer it, yeah? You're going to earn some money. Keep doing this every day or a couple of times a week, and by the time the end of the month comes, you can come in here, look at your balance, and you can have a bit of money, a bit of spending money, yeah? Now, like I said at the beginning, guys, it's not one of them get rich quick. There's no such thing, guys, yeah? But you can earn money. And then if you come on this site and you can't earn money, like I said, you shouldn't be in the make money online niche, yeah? Because this is simple. Now I've just made 75 cents for signing up, yeah. Then I also made another 24 cents, yeah, just for liking and copy and pasting, basically, yeah. So sign up, guys. Oh, one more thing, guys. Like, you can post your jobs on there as well, yeah, so other people can get paid for doing your jobs, yeah. But then you're gonna have to pay, I don't know how much it is, but obviously you're paying 4 cents for like YouTube, someone for site like your YouTube, etc. But what I'm going to tell you guys is referrals, yeah. You've got a referral link here, yeah. So you get someone to sign up to your referral link, yeah. Then if they post a job, so that when they post a job, they've got to pay for posting a job, yeah. If they do, you get 5%, yeah. So every time someone signs up on your link and posts a job, you get 5% of that, yeah. Also, if they don't post a job but they want to just earn money like you, they can. You're going to earn 5% from every task they do, yeah. Now, don't get me wrong, it's not going to be much. Because obviously if you're only getting paid like 8 cents and you're getting 5% of that, I mean, it's not really worth it. But if you get loads of people with signed up and they're all doing jobs and that, you're gonna start earning, guys, yeah. It's gonna be like a passive income, isn't it? So the more you do, the more you're gonna get paid. The more people get signed up, the more you're gonna get paid, yeah. So go ahead, guys. The name of this is called Pico Workers. I will leave the link in the description, guys, and I will also leave the link to my referral link, yeah. So feel free to sign up, yeah. I'm helping you, you might as well help me, guys, yeah. I want to invest, guys. If you don't want to sign up under my referral, that's totally fine, guys. But I do recommend checking it out. You're not going to get rich overnight, yeah, but you are going to earn, yeah. It all depends how much effort you want to put into this, guys. So that sums up the video, guys. So thanks very much for watching. If you got any value from this, please hit the subscribe button and help me grow this channel, and give me a like, comment in the comment section, obviously, and let me know if you've used this, let me know if you've signed up, or let me know if people have signed up under you, and then yeah, enjoy, guys, and thanks very much for watching, and till next time, I'm Jay Roberts, the Geeky Dad, and this is Building My Empire, helping you to build yours. Till next time, guys, goodbye.